Hey everyone, today I'm just going to walk through my Canvas LMS setup and just hit some of the important things, just talk about it a little bit. So, first thing, I have the home page with the information, um, with the course, my name, and the fake school or the school that I would teach at or that I would like to teach at. Then I have the Start Here module with the welcome page, just about the course and a little intro activity like icebreaker. Um, and it's the question: if you could travel to one place in the world, where would you choose? I think that's always just a good little question to ask people because they always enjoy sharing where they've gone or where they'd like to go. And then I have the course feedback, which is just like a survey talking about the course. Favorite part of the course, interest in it, how I can improve the learning experience, and then how are you feeling in general with school, and then one word to describe the course. So I think it's a good little intro survey to do. And then we have the week one module, which would be investing, and similar to what we do in this course, I have the week one module overview, just a general introduction about investing and the checklist for it. I think it's always a good thing to see for students is the checklist and what they have to get done for the week or for the module. So I always like the module overviews in this class, just kind of going a little more in detail about whatever the topic is and then giving a checklist. And then I separated stuff with the headings. I think it's easy. I think it's easier for students to see the different topics and what they might be covering, and then include the links underneath those headings. I think it just looks nice this way too. So they'd work through investing. Then there's the assignment for compound interest. There's a discussion about when you're going to invest. Then the second module is about budgeting. There's a module overview as well. There's a little video to budgeting. There's a PowerPoint that I created for budgeting. There's some practice examples. Then there's the discussion for the check-in with budgeting. Then there's an assignment with real-life budgeting. And then I added some supplemental links. I don't know how many students would look at these, but I think it's just a nice little added touch for the module to have some extra links or resources in case students wanted to check it out or they're interested in a topic like budgeting or investing. And then the budgeting quiz is the last thing in that module. And then the third module is insurance. And then there's videos about insurance. There's some graphics. And then there's an activity on Next Gen Personal Finance. That's really fun. I've played it before. It's a good little game that I think the students enjoy. And then another supplementary resource for insurance tips. So I think overall I think it's a solid setup. I think it's easy to follow. It's organized well. I think I could have made it if I did anything differently. I think I could have made it a little more engaging or creative with the modules. But I mean, for the most part, I think it's solid. I think I could have included like a syllabus maybe the second time around. I think that was in my rubric evaluation. I think I could have included more stuff about the syllabus and just like more stuff about myself. I mean, I have the announcement with introducing myself and stuff like that. So I think overall it's a solid layout, and I think it's pretty easy to follow for students. Just more time, I think I would have changed a few things, like getting more creative or including more stuff for the lessons. I think would have been maybe something else I could have done. But overall, I think it was a solid LMS, and I think I enjoyed making it. It's been a good intro into my future for teaching, so I think it's solid all around. But that's about it. That's all I got. Thanks for listening. Hope you guys have a great week.